Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how I make this delicious ISI EWU. So if you know you like eating ISI EWU, this video is for you. So sit back, continue watching, and let's get started. So guys, here is the goat head. I'll go ahead and clean it, then I'll be right back. So as you can see, I've cleaned up the goat head, cut it into a bite size. Then I'll start the cooking process. And also here is the brain. This brain is going to be serving as the thickener for this recipe. So I'll just put it inside the goat meat. I'm going to cook everything together. And I'll add some onions, some ginger and garlic, salt, seasoning. Then I'm going to be adding water to the level of this goat head for the meat. Then I'll make sure I stir everything together properly so that everything will just fit into the pot. And I'm going to cover it. I'll cook it until the meat is very soft. So I'm going to be taking off the goat brain, and as you can see, the goat is already done. It's very soft now. It's good now. So I'll add ugba, add some Scotch bonnet, and I'll make sure I stir everything together so that the meat and the pepper will mix together very well. I'll just cover it. I will allow it to cook for a few minutes. So now I'm going to make sure to pan the brain. I'll just pan it until everything is nicely smooth. So in a bowl, I'm going to be adding some palm oil, and I'll add the potash. I'm sorry, I know a lot of people don't like potash. For this recipe, the potash is very necessary. So now I'm going to be adding some pepper soup spice, crayfish, pepper, seasoning, and the goat brain. I'm just going to mix everything together. Make sure I stir everything together. So now it's time for me to pour all the sauce that I mixed together before. Just pour everything inside the pot. And one thing I want to tell you guys, if you are adding potash, as you are using potash, you just need to add a little amount of salt, because potash himself is very salty, so that your ISI EWU will not be too salty. So that is that. I'm just going to stir everything together, make sure I mix everything together, then add some onions, add some utazi. This one is from the freezer, so that is why it's like this. They brought it for me from Nigeria. I don't have the fresh one, so it's good to go. So guys, as you can see, ISI EWU is really easy to prepare. A lot of people don't know how to prepare ISI EWU. They ask me, how do you do it? It's very simple. I think it's one of the simplest things you have to, that you can even think of. It's so easy to prepare. So that is all. So guys, if you like this video and you have watched to this minute, thank you so much. I really appreciate. Make sure to like this video, share, and leave your comment, and I will see you again in my next video with another delicious recipe. Bye. Ciao ciao.